It's a 2018 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, Brembo 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, active noise cancellation, power tilting steering column, front-wheel drive with traction control, driver and passenger front, seat-mounted and rear side impact airbags, and automatic transmission. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.